Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make custom size frame using Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. Then you have to simply put in the www.canva.com in the search bar, and once you log into the Canva you have to put in your login credentials and open up the file that you would like to edit. And here you have to simply click on the apps icon from here, and in the search bar what I need to type in is the frame maker from here. Let's say frame maker, then click on enter, and after that it will take a couple of seconds, and here you can see choose the first option from here, and just simply click on the open option from here, and after that it will take a couple of seconds. Here you can see that the frame maker is loading, and here you can see that you can just choose the create from here, and here you can just choose the size like this or like this, or also you can just choose any of this from here, and then just simply click on that to design, and here you can see the design is already here. Now how to upload image in this frame? Let's go to the upload option from here, and here there are some pre-uploaded media files here I have uploaded previously. Just choose one of them, just simply drag it to here, and here you can see that we have already uploaded image in the custom size frame. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.